Sorry, this recording is just to finish off. We're still on 3-4, and we're just finishing off E. Okay, so then we've got root 3 times that, so it's 2, whole number times whole number, root times root. So root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is 3. Root 3 times 5 is whole number times whole number, so 5, root 3. Okay, so that's why I need the first half of the homework done before you can get to this, because we need to do distributive. Keep going. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 25. Okay, here becomes 6. Can I keep going? Yes? What's 12 minus 25? Negative 13. Can I keep going with the top? Yeah. Can you? 6 plus 5. Can't. It's attached. Think of this like a variable. It's 5x or 5 root 3. It's attached like a variable. They're not like terms. Okay, don't add them together. So the homework from the first half of this lesson was know when to stop, right? Because you want to do more and you can't. So you stop here. Am I done? Something's wrong. Grade 9, we said never leave the negative on the bottom. So you're going to bring that into both. Okay, to both of them. Right, so if you tell your grade 9 self to pay attention to fractions or they don't go away. So then here, negative 6 minus 5 root 3 over 13, and you cannot do any more. You can't cancel anymore. You can't reduce anymore. Okay, so this is our kind of a thinking question, but we show you and practice it with you. So this is a bit of a harder one, I know, but we're going to try it. So flip over to the next side. And let's try it again.
Square root of 5 by 2 square root 3. Can we just go to 6?
No, you're showing me steps. Okay, we're going to go through next one. And over here, we're going to multiply. Look, we got 2 terms. So as soon as you see binomial, then I need the conjugate. So binomial. That means I want to multiply by the conjugate. It's called, you don't need to know the word, conjugate. Most people go, oh, by the difference of squares? Yes, by the difference of squares. You go, oh, I know that one. Okay, so by the difference of squares. Okay, and then you can come in. Okay, so the 3 root 2 minus. See how this sign in the middle changes? It's this sign. It's that sign there. Okay, so it's this sign that makes it the difference of squares. So 3 root 2 minus 5 like that. Okay, that's what makes it the difference of squares. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Okay, and we're going to do this again. So I'm going to say 1, 2, right? And then this is why I need the day's home 3, 4. Let's do the denominator first because that's satisfying. So let's do the denominator first. 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. Whole number times whole number, 9. Root 2 times root 2. Can we go faster? Root 4 is 2. Is that okay? So when you know it's the same. Minus, because it's a difference of squares. 5 times 5, 25. We okay there? All right. So now we're going to do FOIL up here. First times first. Whole number times whole number, 6. Root times root, so it's just root 2. So 6 root 2 like that. Okay. Do it again. So we did the first one. 2 times the negative 5 minus 10. Is that all right? What step are we on now? 8. So the 8 times the first one, root 8 times 3 root 2. Whole number, there's an invisible 1. So it'll be 1. So 3, whole number times, so 3, 1 times 3. Root times root, root 16. Does that make sense? So whole number times whole number, root times root. Do the next one. Again, whole number times whole number, there's an invisible 1. So minus 5. Root times the root, there's no root, so you write root 8. Make sure you extend this longer. Okay, so make sure you can do FOIL, right, with the two sets of radicals. It's the binomial. First, then the outside, then the inside, then the last. FOIL. Okay, we're going to keep going. We're almost there. 9 times 2 is 18 minus 25. What did I do? I rationalized that denominator. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. No more radical on the bottom. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's what we never want to see, a radical on the bottom. So that's where our goal. Keep going with that. We're going to add to subtract those. Here, let's keep, oh, that's 16. Isn't it shouting at you? What is 16? Root 16 is? Just 4. No remainder, right? 8 though? Oh, 8. Come on, we've done 8 a lot of time. 4 times 2, right? It's screaming at you to simplify. So at the point when you finish the homework, you should be like, oh, I got to do something with the 8. As soon as you see it, be like, I got to do something. I can't leave it, right? So that's what you want. So 6 root 2 minus 10, 3, that 16 should be like up. I got to become, sorry, 16? No, 4. Crazy, I'm crazy. 4, I'm rushing. See, 4, right? That should be like, I'm 4 with no remainder. Minus 5, in this one, it's 4 times 2, yes. And that should be shouting at you to say, please simplify me, right? And then the exact square root 4 is exactly 2, right? Perfectly 2 comes out, so keep going. These are the never-ending questions. 6 root 2. Tell me if I make a copying mistake. This comes out as exactly 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So that's the step I said you could start to skip, right? If you're comfortable, you can skip that, so I don't have to show 5 times 2. Here, 18 minus 25 is a negative 7, right? And we know we're going to, almost there, sorry. And then we've got over here, what else can I do? Yeah.
6 and the 10.
Yes, the 6 and the 10. Those are like radicals. So they should be calling to you saying, these are like x's. Those are like radicals. And then these two, yes, we can add those two together, right? So those ones there, but these guys here, those ones are like radicals. Okay, so we get the 6 and the 10. So we get negative 4 root 2. That's negative 10, so plus 2 over negative 7. Am I done? Never done. Never any question. What's the last thing we have to do? From grade 9, we don't like that negative in the bottom. 1, 2. Tell your grade 9 self to pay attention better. Okay, so then you're going to go positive 4 root 2 minus 2 over 7. Are we done? Can we add the, no. Can we do any, they're not like term, we are done. That's the never-ending question. Woo, yeah, I know, brain hurting. You try the next one. We'll take that up the next class, okay? But right now, try that. Okay, see if you've got what I said. Question? Yeah. Okay.